Hi guys, it's Carolyn and I'm going to do another video on how to set up just a very nice intimate vignette which involves some wine, some fruit, cheese, candles, and a couple of really nice resin wine glasses. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you what I'm going to use. This is a little pedestal that I made and I just bought the stuff from the Dollar Tree. The top part was just round, just like this. I ordered these little hooks from Temu and they're little drawer pulls. And then this was a candle holder. So I just used some of that E6000 and a little bit of super glue and glued them all together. And I even signed it on the bottom with my signature and put Duran Home Styling and Staging sticker. And so I'm going to use that as my pedestal. I'm going to use my resin glasses like I told you. Get you some of these from Walmart, Target. You can buy them. I got these from Crate and Barrel, but they're more affordable at Walmart. So that, I have my candle that I told you about the other day that has the marble-like bottom, and that's gold from Vintage Vibe. Great little store in Mansfield. I have a bottle of wine that my sisters gave me for my birthday, and it's from a winery in San Antonio, Texas. You see that? So that's going to be really delicious when I decide to drink it. And then I have a charcuterie board that I got from Ross. Look at the handles on that. And this was $14.99. It's very heavy. It's beautiful. Sometimes when I'm decorating the end of a bed at staging, I used to use it. So now I'm going to use it for this. And what I'm going to do, just real quick, I take my little stand here, and that's where I'm going to put all my fruit. And I have this nice big juicy red apple, so that's going to sit out front. I have a pear, and then I just have some cheese slices that I'm going to just position right here up front. So I'm going to put those on there like that. Oh, this one doesn't want to stay. Okay, so I have my pear, a red apple, and a green apple. I'm going to put my candle back here. So my bottle of wine over here, and then just my two beautiful glasses. And look at that. It's just a cute little setup, and it's something you could enjoy, you know, outdoors on your patio, wherever. But it's something you can enjoy late night if you just want to eat something small and have a good glass of wine. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and Duran Home Styling and Staging. Make it a great day, and I hope you make a vignette. See you.